Frustrated with the command plus tab not bringing up minimized apps on your MacBook? You are not alone. In this video, I'll show you a free, easy workaround to fix the issue and make switching between apps smoother. Let's dive in. Well, MacBook has a native function, command plus tab button, and if you leave on any of the app, but the app is minimized and it will not open from the dock. You can see these small dots here. It means that these apps are open and running in the background, but whenever I press command plus tab button, none of the apps will open. To fix it, you just need to first of all open the app like so, and I'm going to open Finder. Now I can switch between Finder other apps. So you cannot open any minimized app from the command and tab button. There is an alternative that is called Alt+Tab, and here you can see same like a Windows preview, and if you leave your tab on any of these one, it will open. Let's say I want to leave my tab there, it will open the Finder, and if there is any other Windows same like Safari, it will open Safari, and if I go to another one, that is my screen recorder, and here I can just leave my Option tab there and easily go there. So to get that, I'm gonna go to Safari browser here. This link will be in the description as well. Just go to download Alt+Tab on your macOS and give all the permissions. Once you download, install, and give all the necessary permissions in the security, then you will go to menu bar and see Alt+Tab icon here. Just click on that and go to preferences, and here make sure that you start it at login if you want, or if you want to use the native app, then you can use that one as well. And here there are different things you need to understand. In the control section, you can choose shortcut 1, shortcut 2, 3, 4, 5, and set as many as you want. The real thing is here, instead of option command, you can choose it to anyone, like let's say command tab. And now if I just close this one and press command tab, it will replace the native command tab button on macOS. But if I want to be stick like with the alt and also want to use the native app, I can always go to preferences, and instead of this one, I can press the option button and it will work with the option button. I personally leave it to the option button. Here are all apps, or if you want to choose a particular app, then you can do all these settings. And here are the real buttons. With the shift, select previous window. Let's say I want to preview any open window in the background. I press option tab, and if I want to go to the previous window, I will simply press shift and it will bring me to the previous window. And if you want to close, just press W. If you want to press quit, then just simply press Q by holding option button. And here you can change the appearance. If I just go for the Windows 10, then it will look like that. It's the Windows 10 style, but I personally leave it to macOS style. Here you can change everything about the color, the background, and other appearance related things. In the policy section, you can check for the policies there and set on auto update. This is literally a great open source feature in macOS. If you want to experience more free apps like this one, you see the background is blurred, and this is only highlighted app because this is in the front. And if I open Finder, you see that the background is dim and now only this app is highlighted. Then stay tuned, and in the next video I'll teach you about this app as well. If you didn't subscribe, then do it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.